Hebrew future tense. I will do equals.
אני אעשה.
To do equals.
לעשות.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to laugh and learn fast? Let's power up your Hebrew future tense together. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll conquer the future of to do in Hebrew with quick drills, jokes, and zero boring grammar fog. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say who will do what, clearly, confidently, and with a smile. I will do.
אני אעשה.
To do, infinitive.
לעשות.
He will do.
הוא יעשה.
She will do.
היא תעשה.
It will do, good enough.
זה יעשה.
We will do.
אנחנו נעשה.
You, plural, will do.
תעשו.
They will do.
הם יעשו.
Beat the forms. Clap on the beat and echo me. Rhythm makes memory sticky. I will do.
אני אעשה.
He will do.
הוא יעשה.
She will do.
היא תעשה.
We will do.
אנחנו נעשה.
You, plural, will do.
תעשו.
They will do.
הם יעשו.
To do.
לעשות.
Good enough? It will do.
זה יעשה.
Funny mini dialogue. Act it out, be dramatic, your houseplant gets an Oscar. A. We're out of butter. Will that swap work? B.
זה יעשה.
Also, relax.
אני אעשה.
The dishes later. A. And the report? B.
הוא יעשה.
The graphs.
היא תעשה.
The summary.
אנחנו נעשה.
The slides. A. What about the team tomorrow? B. Easy.
אתם תעשו.
The setup and
הם יעשו.
the cleanup. A. Great. Now, time to
לעשות.
coffee. Quick drills. Say it before I do, then check your answer. Don't worry, I will do it. Say in Hebrew. Answer.
אל תדאג, אני אעשה את זה.
Tomorrow, we will do it. Answer.
מחר אנחנו נעשה את זה.
She will do the work. Answer.
היא תעשה את העבודה.
They will do their best. Answer.
הם יעשו את המיטב.
You, plural, will do the first part. Answer.
אתם תעשו את החלק הראשון.
To do, base form. Answer.
לעשות.
Culture tip. Sounding local. Want the native vibe? Use the right phrase at the right time. When Israelis accept a quick fix, they say.
זה יעשה.
Literally, it will do, meaning, good enough for now. For present tense, it does, you'd say.
זה עושה.
But for approval of a temporary solution, stick with that future flavor. Speed quiz. Answer fast, out loud. No peeking. Q. How do you say, he will do? A.
הוא יעשה.
Q. Translate, we will do. A.
אנחנו נעשה.
Q. The infinitive, to do. A.
לעשות.
Q. She will do. A.
היא תעשה.
Q. They will do. A.
הם יעשו.
Q. You, plural, will do. A.
תעשו.
Q. In a pinch, it will do. A.
זה יעשה.
Q. I will do. A.
אני אעשה.
Your speaking challenge. You talk, I'll clap. Hit these mini missions. Say, if you plan the trip, I will do the booking. Sample.
אם אתה מתכנן את הטיול, אני אעשה את ההזמנה.
Say to your team, tomorrow, you will do the setup, and we will do the review. Sample.
מחר אתם תעשו את ההתקנה, ואנחנו נעשה את הבדיקה.
Reassure a friend. He will do the hard part, she will do the rest. Sample.
הוא יעשה את החלק הקשה, והיא תעשה את השאר.
Approve a quick fix. It will do for now. Sample.
זה יעשה לעכשיו.
End strong. They will do it by noon. Sample.
הם יעשו את זה עד הצהריים.
Wrap up. High five, future tense unlocked. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing these forms out loud every day. Mini moments count. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For transcripts, quizzes, and more freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time. Until then, keep going in.
לעשות.
Your best.